Hey buddy, how's it going? Follow me and see 10 special facts about wolves.
1.
One of the smartest canid species is the wolf, which is an extremely intelligent animal.
2.
The wolf is seen as a representation of strength, bravery, and wisdom in various civilizations.
3.
Wolf groups typically have 6 to 8 wolves, but may have as many as 37.
4.
Wolves live in the wild for 6 to 8 years on average, but some have been known to live up to 13 years.
5.
Wolves have a superb sense of smell and can follow their prey for miles.
6.
Wolves primarily hunt at night because they are nocturnal animals.
7.
It's been reported that wolves can cover up to 100 miles in a single day.
8.
Wolves usually hunt in packs and use different strategies to destroy their prey.
9.
Deer, elk, urial, and other large mammals make up the majority of wolves' diets.
10.
Wolves are very protective of their pack members and defend them against any threats.
Hey friend, you're perfect. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Also, don't miss our other videos.